Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an E71 error and you were trying to figure out what that error is and what you need to do to fix it. So first of all, the E71 error is when the outlet, the outgoing thermistor, which is basically tests the air temperature, it has failed. So what you're going to need to do here is to replace. First, you can check the wiring and make sure all of the wiring to the thermistor, to and from the thermistor, there's nothing loose, damaged, disconnected, etc. If that's not it, then you're just going to want to replace the thermistor, which is a rather cheap part and relatively easy to replace. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to both where you can get the thermistor and also a tutorial in terms of actually how to replace the thermistor in the dryer. Now, I would try to do a hard reset before I did any of this, which is just to disconnect your dryer from power for several minutes and turn it back on. But if the error persists, then you want to go ahead and replace the thermistor.